In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Airtable. Let's start by opening your browser and going to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your workspaces. Airtable is organized into workspaces that contain your bases and tables, so you'll want to be in the right place before you bring in any data. Once you're in, open the workspace where you want this data to live. Think of the workspace as your project hub. Choose the one that matches the team or project you're working on so your imported table lands exactly where you need it. Next, look for the plus icon. This is your shortcut to add something new. Click the plus and you'll see options for creating or importing a table. We're going to import from a file so we can move an existing data set into Airtable quickly and accurately. From the import options, choose the CSV file option. You might notice there are many other sources available, like spreadsheets or calendars, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick with CSV. This format is widely supported and makes it easy for Airtable to map columns into fields. Click Browse Files to locate your CSV on your computer. Before you select it, a quick prep tip. Make sure your CSV has a clear header row with column names, consistent date and number formats, and no completely blank columns. If your values include commas, ensure they're properly quoted in the CSV so they import cleanly. Select your file, then click Upload CSV File. Airtable will begin reading your columns and getting a preview ready. This usually takes just a moment depending on the size of your dataset. When the preview appears, click Next. This moves you into the confirmation stage where Airtable shows how it plans to bring your columns into the table. It's a good moment to scan for obvious issues like unexpected column names or misread data types. Now choose All Fields. This tells Airtable to include every column from your CSV in the new table. If your file is well prepared, importing all fields is the fastest way to get started, and you can always refine field types afterward. Finally, click Import. Airtable will create a new table in your selected workspace and load in your rows. Once it finishes, take a quick look through a few records to confirm everything arrived as expected. If you see dates, numbers, or choices that could benefit from Airtable's specialized field types, you can adjust those after the import for better sorting, filtering, and reporting. And that's it, your CSV is now in Airtable ready to use.